Hey there, tech enthusiasts and printing aficionados. Are you tired of bulky printers that guzzle ink like there's no tomorrow? Ever wondered if there's a more efficient way to print on the go? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of thermal printers. These compact powerhouses are revolutionizing the way we think about portable printing. But with so many options out there, which one should you choose? Stick around as we count down the top 7 thermal printers that are making waves in 2025. We've put these printers through their paces, so you don't have to. Let's get started. 7. OFFNOVA Portable Printer. First up on our list is the OFFNOVA Portable Printer. This compact device promises to be your on-the-go printing solution. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The OFFNOVA boasts a sleek design that easily fits into a backpack or briefcase. It's lightweight, weighing just over a pound, which is great for those who are always on the move. The printer uses thermal technology, meaning you won't have to worry about replacing ink cartridges. This is a significant plus for both your wallet and the environment. Connectivity is straightforward with Bluetooth capability, allowing you to print directly from your smartphone or tablet. The companion app is fairly intuitive, though it did take a bit of fiddling to get it set up initially. Once connected, printing is as simple as selecting your document and hitting print. In terms of print quality, the OFFNOVA produces clear, legible text. However, it's worth noting that this printer is limited to black and white output. If you're looking to print color documents or photos, you'll need to look elsewhere. The thermal paper used also has a slightly glossy feel, which might not be to everyone's liking. Battery life is decent, with the printer capable of churning out about 90 pages on a single charge. However, we found that this number dropped significantly when printing larger documents or when the printer was left idle for extended periods. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning on heavy use away from a power source. 6. JADENS Portable Printers. Next up, we have the JADENS Portable Printer. This device aims to be your all-in-one printing solution for home, office, and travel. But does it live up to the hype? The JADENS printer certainly looks the part with its modern, minimalist design. It's slightly larger than the OFFNOVA, but still compact enough to be considered portable. The build quality feels solid, though we did notice some creaking when applying pressure to the casing. One of the standout features of the JADENS is its versatility. It can handle a variety of paper sizes, from small labels up to A4 sheets. This flexibility is great if you need to print different types of documents on the go. The printer also supports both rolled and folded thermal paper, giving you more options for your printing needs. Connectivity is a strong point for the JADENS. It offers both Bluetooth and USB connections, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. We found the Bluetooth connection to be stable, though there were occasional hiccups when trying to print large files. Print quality is generally good, with text coming out sharp and clear. However, we did notice some inconsistencies when printing images or graphics. Sometimes the output would be perfectly fine, while other times it would appear faded or streaky. This inconsistency can be frustrating if you're relying on the printer for professional-looking documents. Battery life is average, lasting for about 120 pages on a full charge. However, we found that the printer tends to drain battery even when not in use, so you'll want to make sure it's fully powered off when not in use. 5. HPRT Wireless Portable Printer. Moving up our list, we come to the HPRT Wireless Portable Printer. This device promises high-quality prints in a compact package, and we're happy to report that it largely delivers on that promise. The HPRT printer strikes a nice balance between portability and functionality. It's slightly heavier than some of the other options on our list, but the extra weight translates to a more robust feel. The printer feels like it could withstand the rigors of frequent travel without issue. One of the standout features of the HPRT is its print quality. Text comes out crisp and clear, even at smaller font sizes. Graphics and images, while still limited to black and white, show good detail and contrast. This makes the HPRT a solid choice for those who need to print professional-looking documents on the go. Connectivity options are plentiful, with the HPRT supporting Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connections. We found the Wi-Fi connection to be particularly useful, allowing us to print from multiple devices without the need for pairing. The printer also supports mobile printing from both iOS and Android devices, which worked seamlessly in our tests. Battery life is impressive, with the HPRT capable of printing up to 170 pages on a single charge. We found this estimate to be fairly accurate in our real-world testing, which is a pleasant surprise given how often manufacturers overstate battery life. The HPRT also offers some nice quality-of-life features, such as automatic paper detection and a built-in cutter for clean, precise cuts. These small touches make the printing process smoother and more enjoyable. 4. Phomemo Portable Thermal Printer. As we enter the top half of our list, we come to the Phomemo Portable Thermal Printer. This device has been making waves in the portable printing world, and after spending some time with it, we can see why. The Phomemo impresses right out of the box with its sleek, modern design. It's compact enough to slip into a laptop bag or backpack, yet feels sturdy and well-built. The matte finish resists fingerprints and scratches, keeping the printer looking good even with frequent use. One of the Phomemo's standout features is its versatility. It can handle a wide range of paper sizes, from small labels up to full A4 sheets. This flexibility makes it a great choice for a variety of printing needs, from shipping labels to full-page documents. Print quality is where the Phomemo really shines. Text is razor-sharp, even at tiny font sizes, and graphics come out with impressive detail and contrast. We were particularly impressed with how well it handled QR codes and barcodes, producing scans that were consistently readable. Connectivity is a breeze with the Phomemo. It offers both Bluetooth and USB options, and we found both to be reliable and easy to set up. The companion app is well-designed and intuitive, making it easy to print from your mobile devices. Battery life is solid, with the Phomemo capable of printing up to 140 pages on a single charge. In our testing, we found this estimate to be pretty accurate, even when printing a mix of text and graphics-heavy documents. 3. Pooolitech Inkless Wireless Printer. Breaking into our top 3, we have the Pooolitech Inkless Wireless Printer. This device promises to combine high-quality printing with eco-friendly operation, and we're pleased to say it delivers on both fronts. The Pooolitech printer immediately stands out with its unique design. It's slightly larger than some of the other options on our list, but it makes good use of that extra size with a built-in paper roll holder. This feature allows for continuous printing without the need to manually feed paper, which is a significant time saver for high-volume printing tasks. Print quality is excellent across the board. Text is sharp and easily readable, even at smaller font sizes. Graphics and images show good detail and contrast, making this printer suitable for a wide range of document types. We were particularly impressed with how well it handled fine lines and intricate patterns. Connectivity options are plentiful, with the Pooolitech supporting Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connections. We found all 3 options to be reliable, with the Wi-Fi connection being particularly useful for office settings where multiple users might need to access the printer. Battery life is a strong point for the Pooolitech. It boasts up to 9 hours of continuous use on a single charge, and our testing found this claim to be pretty accurate. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need to do a lot of printing away from a power source. The Pooolitech also scores points for its eco-friendly design. As an inkless printer, it eliminates the need for cartridge replacements, reducing both cost and environmental impact. The thermal paper it uses is also recyclable, further enhancing its green credentials. 2. Nelko Thermal Printer. As we approach the top of our list, we come to the Nelko Thermal Printer. This device has been generating a lot of buzz in the portable printing world, and after putting it through its paces, we can see why. The Nelko impresses right from the start with its sleek, professional design. It's compact enough to be truly portable, yet feels solid and well-built. The matte black finish not only looks great, but also resists fingerprints and scratches, keeping the printer looking pristine even with heavy use. Print quality is where the Nelko really shines. Text comes out crisp and clear, with excellent readability even at very small font sizes. Graphics and images show impressive detail and contrast, making this printer suitable for a wide range of applications, from shipping labels to detailed diagrams. One of the standout features of the Nelko is its versatility. It can handle a variety of paper sizes and types, from standard thermal paper to adhesive labels. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for businesses that need to print different types of documents on the go. Connectivity is a breeze with the Nelko. It offers both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options, and we found both to be stable and easy to set up. The printer is compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and desktop computers. Battery life is impressive, with the Nelko capable of printing up to 160 pages on a single charge. In our real-world testing, we found this estimate to be pretty accurate, even when printing a mix of text-heavy and graphics-heavy documents. 1. Rollo Wireless Label Printer. And now, we've reached the top of our list with the Rollo Wireless Label Printer. After extensive testing, we can confidently say that this printer sets the gold standard for portable thermal printing. The Rollo immediately impresses with its sleek, professional design. It's compact enough to be portable, yet feels robust and well-built. The white exterior not only looks modern, but also helps it blend seamlessly into any office environment. Print quality is where the Rollo truly excels. Text is razor-sharp, with excellent clarity even at the smallest font sizes. Graphics and barcodes come out with impressive detail and contrast. We were particularly impressed with how well it handled shipping labels, producing crisp, easily scannable barcodes every time. One of the Rollo's standout features is its incredible speed. It can print up to 150 millimeters per second, which translates to about 1/4 by 6-inch label per second. This makes it an excellent choice for high-volume printing tasks. Connectivity options are plentiful and reliable. The Rollo supports Wi-Fi printing, allowing you to print directly from your phone, tablet, or computer without the need for cables. It's also AirPrint enabled, making it incredibly easy to print from Apple devices. The Rollo shines when it comes to compatibility. It works seamlessly with all major shipping platforms and online marketplaces, including USPS, UPS, FedEx, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and more. This wide-ranging compatibility makes it an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses of all sizes. Final thought. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive rundown of the top 7 thermal printers of 2025. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your shipping process, a student needing to print on the go, or just someone who appreciates the convenience of portable printing, there's a thermal printer on this list for you. Remember, the best printer for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. But if you're looking for our top recommendation, the Rollo Wireless Label Printer stands head and shoulders above the rest with its combination of speed, quality, and versatility. Happy printing!